Today I am making the most beautiful buttermilk scones topped with the ultimate summer flavours. Some Pimms soaked strawberries and oranges and semi-whipped cream. The perfect afternoon tea edition. So I'm going to add my ingredients to my kMix. This is fitted with the K-beater attachment. First up is my self-raising flour. Add the flour, sugar, baking powder and salt. To this add the butter. Mix slowly until you're left with a texture that resembles breadcrumbs. Just to ensure all of the liquid reaches the base of the bowl, I always push some of my scone mix to one side, and that way my liquid sits on the bottom of the bowl and helps with the mixing. Add the egg and buttermilk and mix. Important at this stage not to overmix your scone mix, so I'm going to turn this out onto a lightly floured work surface and finish this by hand. Roll until you reach a thickness of 2 inches. Our scone mix is rolled out, so I'm using a floured scone cutter, and for the perfect rise, push your scone cutter down, don't twist, pop it out, and that goes onto your tray. Cut out 12 beautiful scones. Place these scones onto your lined baking tray and brush the top with egg wash. Pop these scones into a preheated oven and bake at 180-160 fan, and they will take in around 20 to 25 minutes. While my scones are in the oven, I'm going to get cracking on my Pimms Marinated fruit. Into a medium-sized bowl, add in the orange segments, juice and zest. To this, add in the prepared strawberries, caster sugar, chopped mint, and of course, don't forget the Pimms. Mix well and keep this chilled until needed. My scones are now baked and ready to come out of the oven. Once your scones are baked, remove and pop onto a wire rack and cool completely. The moment we've all been waiting for. Scones have cooled down, and now I'm going to assemble with my lovely cream and my Pimms Marinated fruit. To serve, cut the cool scones in half and top with some semi-whipped cream. Add your Pimms strawberries on top and enjoy. So that's it, my Pimms Marinated fruit with beautiful buttermilk scones. Absolutely perfect for afternoon tea.